Manually adding quiz questions in WordPress is honestly frustrating. It can take hours, sometimes even days. But imagine this. What if you could upload hundreds of questions in just a few clicks? No repetition, no manual work, no headaches. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to do that. Using a simple Word file, we'll first upload questions in seconds, so you can see how fast it really is. And then, I'll show you the exact format, so it works perfectly every time. Let's get started. Go to Acadlix, then click on Quiz. Click on Add button. Now here's the interesting part. Acadlix supports everything, from simple quizzes to full exam systems. But instead of setting everything manually, let's save time. I'll use a pre-built template. Select a template, set your category, add a title, and a short description. Don't worry about all these settings right now. I'll cover them in a separate video. Click on Save Changes. Now click on the Questions icon. Here, select Import from Doc. Choose your Word file and click Submit. Just wait a few seconds, and there it is. All your questions uploaded instantly. Now let's quickly organize everything. Select all questions. Go to Bulk Actions. Choose Set Subject, Level, and Points. Click Apply. Set values as needed. These are optional, so you can skip or customize them. Now you might be wondering, how does this actually work? What format does this file need so everything uploads perfectly? Let's break it down. Each question follows a simple pattern. Q for the question, A, B, C for the options. That's it. Question types. Now, you can define question types. For example, type S means single choice. Type M means multiple choice. Type T means true or false, simple, and logical. Explanations. You can also add explanations for correct answers and even for incorrect ones. Or use SameExp to keep one explanation for both. Extra. You can even add a hint to guide students during the exam. Here's a pro tip. You don't need to create this format again and again. Just create one sample file and reuse it every time. So this is how you can upload quiz questions in bulk in a WordPress LMS. What used to take hours now takes just minutes. And if you're building mock tests or large question banks, this is a complete game changer. In the next video, I'll show you how to fix common errors in bulk uploads so everything works perfectly.